Alright, this is trade recap number 2 for Thursday, June 25th. Pretty simple. I don't think this will be too long. Coming into the market, I was looking at any sort of reversal coming down here to enter an IFVG targeting data highs. I knew on the 1 hour we had this gap here right above the data highs from 8:30, expecting to wick those and then come down. So either shorts once we tap this data high, or something to bounce off like this 1 hour gap here and bounce off that, hit Asia high and London low, and then reverse up to data highs. Off open, that's what I was looking for. Now that did not happen at all. We never even tapped these highs, and we ended up just plummeting. I mean, the opening candle, 94 points. We had fallen close to 1,000 points, I think, within not that long. Yeah, like 800 points I think we fell. So anyway, it wasn't a great day. I think I should have been just off the charts after falling this much with, one pullback, two pullbacks. I think that was a good indicator that maybe I should have just stepped away from the market for the day. But anyway, we didn't. I waited for a setup. What I saw was a 50% off this move here. So we had inversed this gap, which I believe was a 5-minute gap or 2-minute gap. This was a 2, I think. 2-minute gap. Oh, sorry, 3-minute gap. Yeah, so we had this 3-minute gap. We inversed that. We'd gone higher. Now, could I have entered off something earlier? Maybe. I didn't really see anything that was for my entry model. But we did get this red candle to set a kind of new low in this move. And then we had a down here. So 50% of that move was right here. After we'd inversed this and this, I decided, okay, I'll set my entry at 50% of this move and see if we can get a push up. And we did not. We did eventually go up. I think we tapped Asia highs or Asia lows in the end. But yeah, we just went straight down, which in hindsight, reviewing this trade, that was 50% of this entire move. So that would have been a good entry for a good long. I mean, that's almost 200 points right there if we were just chasing the highs again. That was a good trade. Didn't take that. I think after all this, my mind wasn't exactly clear to take something like that. Should have seen it in hindsight, of course, but in the moment, that's not what I saw, so ended up taking the 50% off right around here. Yeah. And then my stop was just below that. So, not the best day, but that's okay. That was the one loss for the week. And it was okay. I tried it, didn't work out. Lesson learned, honestly, I think days like this where it's just falling, I mean, you don't want to try catching a falling knife. Just better to stay off the charts. Don't take any trades. I think that's the lesson here. Other than that, I mean, I couldn't have known shorts off the beginning. Maybe inversing this gap, try a short. But with these data highs, that was my clear draw on liquidity that I was looking to target, or at least sweep before shorting. So when we didn't do that, my mind was just, okay, well, let's wait for a reversal. And then we just kind of chopped along the rest of the day. So wasn't the best, but that's all right. We'll come back Monday and see how we do. Didn't take a trade Friday. It's weekend now. So we'll come back Monday and be ready to take some wins this week. Alrighty, take care.